Paraan po mga ka-Roslyn. Sigaw niyo na, Roslyn. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Kabutik TV. Adjak na naman tayo. Di ba? Bigyan natin ng magandang view yung ano yun. Asok tayo ng kabuhayan. Ayan, tingnan natin kung ano yung ano. Nagiging parade nila. Dami nila. Puro nakapula. Roslyn yan, Roslyn. Paraan po saglit. Ayan, pagpatuloy natin ang pangangampanya hanggang panahon pa. Bahala na ang taong bayan. Pakirahan po. Ayan. Pakirahan po muna, pasaglit lang. Mga ka-Roslyn, pataan po muna. Sige. Paraan po mga ka-Roslyn. Sigaw niyo na, Roslyn. Sige.
Kaning inigay na buhay.
Paraan po ng saglit. Tayo. Dami nilang mga ka-Roslyn. Panahon ng kandidatuhan, hayaan natin maging masaya. So tayo. Akyat tayo.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. I wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence, stop being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going
going off of my meds. No, I'm not
gagarahin
giving
na ako
up. No, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off and going I
gagarahin na ako.
make it. I'm saving every day to taste
Ate
it. I'm
Rose.
patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it.
Yun
I'm
ba,
chasing a
nakabambero
dream
lang
that
ako.
I've had for several ages.
Ay, Ate Rose.
Modern kingdom for the taking.
Ayun pala, hindi ako makalusot, papasok doon. Nakita niyo lahat? Ako ang pangalan ko. Wala. Baka nandun pangalan niya.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no.
Bata pa si Ate Roslyn. Sige. Arya. Mga supporter ni Ate Rose. Oh. Ingat yung mga may edad na ha. Baon dapat tubig. Biglang magkulap, kainitan. Dami oh. Yan na, paubos na. Merienda muna ako. Oh, bahala sila dyan. Ano, ang daming tao hanggang dun.
Kasama pa na si Boboy.
Oo, andyan oh. Oh, shout out.
Boboy, bawal na lang.
Bawal. Walang bawal ngayon. Pasok ako dyan. Hawakan na kaunti. Yeah, very good. Okay, dito tayo. Gagarahin na tayo. O yung aking garahe. Ano yan to? Ang tinola. Ito tayo sa ating puno ng abukado. Yung ating ginagarahehan. Yan, angat kaibigan. Dito ka muna at magmimerienda si Papa Tom. Ayan. Sakto. Kunin natin yung ating camera. Ayan po, dyan po nakasalpak yung aking cellphone. Ayan. Ito po yung alaga ko, oh. Ito, nakasalubong talaga, oh. Oh, akit na doon, madilim. No, si Bulag, nasagdanan si Bulag, oh. Oh, si Puti. Oh, pati si Sky, salubong na. Sumabay din si Nami. Ayan. Oh, Sky, hingi ng pera. Ayan, oh, ating mga alaga, oh. Sa loob ng bahay. Init.
Dahil dala lang ano sa'yo. Video na meron din.
Tapo. Nag-ano sila sa pera, oh. Ang mapunit. Wait lang. At naka-video tayo, oh. Nag-ginagawa talaga sila sa pera, oh. Mamamali na, kunin mo, ha. Si Puti. Si Puti daw, oh. Yan, nandun na, oh. Ayun na, tigisa sila. Oh, kunin mo na kay Sky. Ayan.
Grabe na sila yung...
Oh, si Puti, oh. Mapunit. Grabe nga.
Kuha niya. Men.
Kinuha ba niya? Grabe talagang aso.
Yan. Sarap kumuha ng pera.
Galing gumawa ng pera ni Sky talaga eh. Si tatakbo pa eh. Oh, ito pa. Ayan oh. Oh, Sky, oh, damputin mo.
Wala mo na.
Ito.
Grabe lang.
Dinala na talaga. Oh, binaba naman niya. Oh. Mamali na daw. Oh. Kunin mo. Oh. Oh, ibinaba na niya. Oh. Yun lang kinita ni Papa Tom. Wala na. Ayun. Nakapag-video pa tayo. Ay, thank you for watching mga idol, mga thumbs up. Ayan. God bless everyone. Hapon na naman. Lasing ko na. Ayan. Magkano na pong kinita ko? Kinita na tayo ng 600. Ayan. Oh. Ating kinita. Ito lang. Oh. Yan lang po yung ating kinita. Pero naman 100 buo. Ayan o. Yan lang yung ating kinita. Okay. Yan, thank you for watching mga idol. Merienda tayo, merienda time. Pag ganitong oras, 5 p.m. Ayan. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.